Hi everyone! Today we are going to talk about best and expensive cars from Toyota. Toyota is one of the best-selling and most reputable brands globally, but there are some vehicles in their collections that come with a hefty price tag but are so worth it. Let's drive in to see some Toyota cars that will empty your pocket. Toyota GT86. This beauty you are looking at is a 2+2 sports car, a joint project between Subaru and Toyota. This car has so many unique qualities, it is impossible to exceed them all. The GT86 has a low center of gravity. The Toyota GT86 Limited Edition comes with 18-inch forged aluminum wheels and is the brainchild of Toyota Racing Development. This car's interior has low-mounted front seats and rear seats that fold down to increase the vehicle's storage options. The GT86 model has high-intensity discharge headlights. These headlights have LED running lights for the daytime, automatic climate control, fog lamps, and a keyless start button. This car has a rear spoiler, unique leather, and Alcantara seating. And when you think that's enough, it also has chrome exhaust tips and aluminum pedal, the center dash, and a steering wheel with a silver accent. The car has a white tachometer face that displays both a digital and analog speedometer. The Toyota GT86 model in Europe is just the same as the one in Japan. They both have red and black leather or Alcantara interior with red stitching. In Japan, the starting price for this GT86 model is $26,140, or 19,000 euros. In Europe, however, it goes for around $29,000. Toyota Corolla. The Toyota Corolla is a favorite and among the oldest models of Toyota vehicles in the world. Since first introduced in 1966, it took this vehicle only 8 years to become the best-selling car worldwide. In 2016, the Corolla made its record milestone, selling 44 million vehicles over the past 12 generations. The Toyota Corolla is an upgrade from the Toyota Crown sedan. The Corolla comes in multiple versions, including a front-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive, and four-wheel drive. In the international market, the E140 styling is different in countries like Southeast Asia, India, and Taiwan, referring to this model as the Corolla Altis. There are hybrid versions of the model as well, and they all have the 1.5-liter hybrid system and fuel efficiency of 3.03 liter per 100 miles. The Corolla comes in the form of a hatchback or a sedan with 4 doors. While all Toyota motor cars are equipped with the Toyota Safety Sense suite and exciting features, the 2021 model looks even better. They have a fuel-saving engine and an Android Auto that comes standard with all vehicles. The starting price for a Toyota Corolla is $20,000 US. Toyota Innova Crista. This car is beautiful. You are looking at the Toyota Innova Crista, a 15-year-old car that is most popular in India. The Innova is a compact MPV first produced in Indonesia in 2004. This car is known by many names like Toyota Kijang in Indonesia and Innova Crista in other countries. Given this vehicle's age, the recent facelift was welcomed and the new features even more so. You can now get the Innova in a 7 or 8-seater MPV, with tons of space no matter where you are seated. While this vehicle looks more like a high-end luxury SUV, it feels more like a truck or even a bus than a regular car. However, the smooth handling and 3-digit speed keep you planted on the road, offering comfort, style, and grace. You can purchase an Innova Crista for a price of $21,627 to $33,800 US. Toyota Fortuner. How can I get me one of these? This mouthwatering pickup is a favorite among the Toyota vehicles. The Fortuner is also known as the Toyota SW4 and was created on the Hilux Trucks platform. It comes in a four-wheeled or rear-wheel drive configuration and a 2 to 3 row seating availability. Fortuner was first created by Japanese and Thai engineers in Thailand and was named based on the English word fortune. From the outside, this vehicle is full of style and gives a sense of luxury and wealth. The interior of the car is even better with fantastic engine performance and vehicle handling. This vehicle cannot be ignored and stands out anywhere on the road you may find it. The Fortuner has automatic and manual variations and even better fuel efficiency since its new diesel engine. As I am sure you want to know, the cost starts at $29,000 right up to $47,309 US. Toyota Velfire. If you are going to get a minivan, you might as well get one of the best and most exclusive minivans ever made. This is the Toyota Velfire. It comes in a 7 to 8-seater with both petrol and hybrid versions available. What is impressive about this minivan is its elegant, luxurious look, yet it is sporty and modern. Being a split from the Toyota Alphard, this van had an excellent reputation to uphold. The most exclusive features are included in this van, including powered and extendable ottoman seats which are fully reclining seats, and it also has heating functions. Did I mention the power sliding back doors, a twin moonroof, individual seating tables, 7 airbags, and lighting to fit any mood? In Japan, you can get this minivan for around $30,000 US. Toyota GR Supra. The Toyota Supra, manufactured in 1978 as a Grand Tourer and sports car. The Supra has its 5th generation released for sale in May 2019 with its very own logo. One should note that the 2021 Toyota Supra has a similar chassis to the BMW Z4, but with its own sense of style and performance output. This vehicle is a rear-wheel drive with an 8-speed automatic transmission and 2 different powertrains that are turbocharged. The Supra has a quick response time for pedal shifts and accelerates from 0 to 60 miles an hour in less than 4 seconds. This vehicle is a dream as the steering weight was thoughtfully applied, giving the car fun, easy-to-drive feel and personality. A 2021 model of the Toyota Supra 2.0 costs $42,990. Toyota Land Cruiser Prado. Our most expensive Toyota yet, but so worth it. The Toyota Land Cruiser Prado is also called the Land Cruiser LC70, LC90, LC120, and LC150. By the looks of it, this car can take on anything. The Prado has 2-speed transfer boxes and rear beam axles. It has a ladder frame chassis and was built for any terrain including easy off-road drives. Through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, you can easily connect to your car. Experience better pedestrian protection with Prado's extended and curved bumper. This Land Cruiser offers a Euro 6D engine keeping up with European regulations. For the 2020 model of the Toyota Land Cruiser Prado, one would look to pay approximately $54,090 US. Thank you for stopping by. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like, share, and subscribe for more content like this one. See you in the next video.